Hello, good morning. Yesterday evening nobody came to disturb me if you watched my previous vlog. So we slept through the night nice and calmly. But yesterday when I left the dogs in the car, when I went for the big wave jet ski experience, somebody peed in the car on the dog mat. I think it's Odessa because she's, you know, less house trained by being a kennel dog for the previous part of her life. Maybe it's Linka because she might be, you know, like revenge being when I leave her in the car. I don't know. I think it's Odessa. Anyway, the mat smells. So now I found a self-service laundromat. I'm gonna wash it because I can't stand it. And it is super raining outside, really muddy, so we're gonna wash this as well, the towel that I dry and clean dogs with. Nice. And now we wait for half an hour. Yeah. Okay, so I have the fresh things here. I didn't stay to dry them because there was like a queue on the drying machines. So I'm just gonna take them and hopefully they will dry tomorrow. Tomorrow should be sunshine because now it's full on rain. And like, to be honest, I am still coming down from yesterday's adrenaline rush, and after these experiences, you know, it takes a little time to come back to real life because that was amazing. I am not sure how it translated through the camera, but that was crazy. So I'm gonna take it real slow today, maybe find a campsite and just chill, do an easier day on the vlog as well because it has been crazy past 2 days, actually crazy last week. So I need a little rest from vlogging and mostly editing. That's the thing. Oh my god, the dogs were so cute at the moment. They were licking each other. You know, like they are like siblings. They don't like each other, but whenever they're separate, they're like, where's the other one? So it was super cute. Maybe they start to like each other a little bit. I built this table and I did the design with the big table for me so I could have a lot of space to do art. And now I am sitting here on this little square because I have fucking dogs everywhere. This long girl takes 2/3 of my couch. There's another long girl here. Yeah, this is my space. I use 1/3 of what was designed for me, and she still sleeps like she doesn't have space. Oh. So I wanted to go and do a bike ride with the girls so they could get their exercise in. And my tire is flat again. If you have watched my road tripping through Europe video, then you know I had a problem in Spain. I guess it was in Spain, and I bought a new inner tube and it's flat again, so maybe there's something wrong with the outer tube. Of course I was too lazy, I didn't properly check. Anyway, I couldn't go for the bike ride and I went to the beach to do a walk instead, and I'm so happy that I did because it was so gorgeous. I found this trail that goes on the coastline and there are these beautiful colorful plants, succulents, and yeah, we were just walking. Also because the weather was really nasty, we did not see a lot of people there and I could let Linka loose again, which is really nice. So I'm gonna crank up some Michael Bublé Christmas music of course, and let's paint together. Yep.